And viewers, the TMC leader Madan Mitra has made a shocking comment. He says this incident has sent a message to girls that if someone calls you when the college is closed, offering you a position in the unit, then don't go. Nothing good will come out of it. If that girl had not gone there, this wouldn't have happened, unquote. So this is how the TMC netas are reacting. Listen in to this.
ये निंदा करने का कोई भाषा मेरा जानकारी नहीं है। दुनिया की सबसे बड़ा गंदा काम, सबसे नोंगरा काम यह है। लेकिन कस्बा की घटना से एक मैसेज आ गया पूरा लड़की लोग, पूरा स्टूडेंट लोगों के पास, जे अगर आपको किसी जान पहचान ने बुलाए तो जिस दिन कॉलेज बंद है, परीक्षा चल रहा है, आपको यूनिट की कुछ बनाएगा तो आप मत जाइए, इसमें आपको भला नहीं होगा। वो लड़की अगर नहीं जाता तो ये घटना नहीं घटते थे।
Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP joining us on the broadcast this evening. Good evening. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. Mr. Bhandari, how will you like to respond to this shocking statement coming in from a TMC leader, Madan Mitra? Earlier it was Kalyan Banerjee, and now we have Madan Mitra making this kind of a remark that if the girl had not gone there, this wouldn't have happened.
Women in Bengal are not safe because Trinamool Congress netas protect the accused. They have created a climate where they normalize crime against women, whether it is sexual assault or rape. All of this is happening because the Women Chief Minister of Bengal, who's also the Home Minister, has in the past and now always stood with the accused or has gone ahead by tampering the evidences or destroying the crime scene. Or we have seen whether it is in Park Street where she called Park Street rape as a small incident, whether it was Hanskali where she called it as a love affair gone wrong, whether it was in RG Car where they tried to bribe and influence the rape victim's family, or now in the case of Kasba gang rape where the leaders, whether it is Kalyan Banerjee or Madan Mitra, are normalizing the gang rape against the women just because the accused number one belongs to the Trinamool Congress.
Right.
This again establishes the point that women in Bengal are not safe because crime against women are appropriated by the Trinamool Congress.
All right. Thank you very much, Pradeep Bhandari. Appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now. Heading into a short break, more updates